重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another song by Boy P. It's titled Chitniet Chitniet, which literally means the seventh day of the seventh lunar month, which is also Chinese Valentine's. So it is a love song, uses some light electronic and pop music elements to express the sweet, blissful emotions of a man in pursuit of a woman and capturing that essence of falling in love. Let's take a listen.
情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，相亲相爱，情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，情又深，情的情意，真真真真，爱看懂你，情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，情的情意，丢白爱是给你，看你看到眼睛睛，你有马个心思让爱讲好梦，爱没让你想一下。Oh yeah, and my baby, you really drive me crazy. Oh, he nice, 老爱讲，情的情意，爱会好好照顾你。就发过来，就放哪里放？阿哥没小妹，山上两山红。情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，相亲相爱，情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，情又深，情的情意，真真真真，爱看懂你，情的情意，真真真真，情的情意，情的情意。
来看，来整理成一个世界，你目瞪当的看的爱，爱为了你讲，爱的心思就会上的你。Oh yeah, my baby, you really drive me crazy. 你说，你爱。让你都全世界 every way 头发开来又放哪里放落寞的身上没有两三红
情的情意真真真真
情夜情意，7月7日，也就是情人节啊！这是彭博义的一首歌，这首歌改编自客家传统歌谣《桃花开》，并邀请客语歌手黄雨涵一起来共同演唱。里面呢，采用这个电音还有流行的元素来唱出男子追求女子陷入爱恋时甜甜蜜蜜的心情。Looks like every day can be Valentine's. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.